Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name's Landon, and I'm here with Cape Fear Customs to talk to you today about tire balancing and why it's important. So, a lot of customers will come in with vibration in their wheels. They feel a little rumble on the road, and the first thing we like to check before we get started is, are their tires balanced? Now, today we've got our state-of-the-art tire balancing machine, and we have one of our techs that's here. He's going to show us how this machine works.
Thoroughly balancing this tire. First off, we make sure we have the right collet to fit the hub size, so it's centered on the machine. Make sure we have proper balance. We need to set the machine knows where the wheel is. Outside. Give us our measurements. If not, it's going to spin balance it. This is the road fork that's measuring road runout. You see the laser points to where the weight needs to be added to the tire. To find the proper weight. We're calling for 150 ounces. Give that weight on. Respin it. See the machine perfectly balanced.